Alrighty, this is Logan Paul coming back at you with another daily vlog. I'm kidding. So I went up today. There was a ton of action. I'm going to go over it really quickly because I am falling behind on my updates. This is actually from yesterday, May 7th, and a May 8th video will be coming up later on today. I'm about to head out to go film that now, just because there is so much action. Normally I wouldn't be going up this much. So obviously there was some work going on with the construction area and soaring timbers. So you'll see they're testing soaring timbers in this video a lot. There are these weird objects on that flatbed truck that they were storing the track on and delivering it with. I could not make out what they were lifting off. You'll see in the video they're lifting off these weird circular objects that almost look like footers themselves, which is really weird. But yeah, they're like circular, look like cement almost, formations that they're lifting off of these flatbeds. I know that there's a lot of water piping that was being shipped into the area as well. If you look over into Lakeside Lagoon in Splashworks, that's the new kiddie area they're working on right now, you can see the two locker formations now dried, the two cement patches. So that's where the two lockers, I'm assuming, will go. We know that they needed more lockers because usually it was just that small cement patch next to the change rooms. Now they looks like they've added that bigger cement patch there. I don't know for sure, but that's what I'm assuming. So on the construction site, just lots and lots and lots and lots of digging. There's steel formations taking place up on the north side of Skyward's plot of land that I cannot make out. So either I'll have to wait until Splashworks opens to get a closer look in person, or hopefully maybe our Canada's Wonderland rep, Thrill Spirits, he's going to be at the park this weekend because we're going to be at Cedar Point Amusement Insiders as like the admin team. So Thrill Spirits has volunteered to take over construction reporting for us. So he'll be sending in pictures and stuff that we can use in videos. So go follow him. He is super cool. He's really good at Photoshop. We get some of our photos from him in terms of like, you know, what's going to fit in the tunnel and just like the track in the tunnel as well. But yeah, not too much going on from the naked eye, just basically work in Splashworks, a ton of work. There was like a team of 30 moving in and around Splashworks, obviously getting it ready. It's open in like 2 weeks now, I think. You have a lot of work in the, what looks like water work. So we thought maybe a splashdown was going in this area over there. I haven't seen any continued digging to make it deeper or wider. Therefore, I'm thinking it is for piping now. So I'm assuming it's for a water mains or something for a water feature. We are hearing that this ride might have a grand entrance to compete with that of Soaring Timbers. Soaring Timbers has a really nice water feature in it, and we're hearing that, you know, this coaster, because it's a big coaster, is supposed to have a bigger, better water feature. I sounded like Trump there. Bigger, better. But yeah, not too much going on, just lots of bulldozing, digging, Splashworks, Lakeside Lagoon getting ready, and Soaring Timbers testing. But yeah, keep watching because there is some great footage of the Soaring Timbers testing, and you're going to see them actually lifting objects into place. And they're digging out weird, what I'm assuming is the brake run. So again, as I discussed yesterday, there's this like straight path. They're going from Barracuda Blaster towards that construction trailer. I'm assuming that's the brake run for the coaster, or the supports for the lift hill, because, you know, sometimes those do stretch really far as the lift gets higher and higher. But yeah, that's it for today. Again, I'm going out right now to fly my drone, so there'll be another video for today. Hopefully there's something exciting. I think there will be. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Give this video a like, subscribe, share the video if you like. Have a good one, guys. Bye.